The answer is here, we're doing a nested loop. And the way we do a nested loop is the way we did the first loop, by calling extend prefix. What is the word so far that we built up? Well, it's the W we had before, and now we're looping through the letters, so we want to add the letter L to the end of that. And now, what are the remaining letters we have in order to add into that word? Well, that's the letters we have before with L removed. That's all there is to it. And now if we test words again, the speed is almost the same, 0.003 something, but the function's more concise, more readable, and more general, in that it will take any number of letters. Now, there's a lot of variations on this. If you type import this into a Python interpreter, you get out a little set of aphorisms, almost like a poem, called The Zen of Python by Tim Peters. And one of them says flat is better than nested. So we can take out this nested function. Instead of having it in here, we can make it flat like that. And I've also made a small change here in that removed works when you're removing any number of letters. Here, if I only want to remove one letter, I can just call the built-in function, the built-in method letters.replace directly. And when we call test words on this, just to make sure we haven't broken anything, it verifies OK, and the speed is about the same. And you can keep it like this. This is a good approach. I'm pretty happy with this one. But notice what we're doing here. Find words is sort of a wrapper to extend prefix, which takes letters and adds in two more extra arguments, the prefix that we found so far and the result set that we want to accumulate the results into. Instead of having one function call a second, we could do this all in one function if we made these two extra things be optional arguments. So we could do it like that, where we just have one function, find words, which takes letters and then the optional prefix so far and results to accumulate into. So now in terms of pacing, let's stop here. Let's congratulate ourselves and say, we've done our job. We've come up with find words, and we've said for any set of letters, I can find all the words in the dictionary that correspond to that hand of letters. And furthermore, I can do that at a speed of 2,000 hands per second, which seems pretty good. So we've achieved our first milestone. Now we should think, first I guess we should relax, congratulate ourselves, have a drink or whatever it is you need to do. And then when you're ready to come back, then we can start the next leg of the journey.